Here are the robot news topics in October 2022. Hyundai and Boston Dynamics co-founded an AI institute. A new pet robot has collected over 2 million in funding. ABB launches a new AMR-line, and Tesla hosted its second AI Day. Enjoy! Hello, my name is Werner Hampel. I've been working with industrial robots for over 30 years. And if you like our monthly news, give the videos a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to activate the bell. Hyundai and Boston Dynamics is now a part of Hyundai, have founded the Boston Dynamics AI Institute in a joint venture. The institute's mission will be to make fundamental advances in AI, robotics and intelligent machines, according to a statement of Hyundai. The institute has sent capital of $400 million. The AI Institute aims to unite research and engineering development so that advanced robots are created. To do this, they want to hire bright minds from AI, robotics, computer science, machine learning and engineering, maybe for you. And they will also be cooperations with universities and corporate research labs. There will be 4 core areas: cognitive AI, athletic AI, organic hardware design, and ethics and policy. The last point, ethics and policy, is one of the most things we always forget. We just know techniques and everything. What do you think about ethics and policy in robotics? Write down in the comments below. Mark Ribert, founder of Boston Dynamics and future head of the institute, wants to develop future generations of advanced robots and machines that are smarter, more agile and safer than all the machines we have today. The Boston Dynamics AI Institute will be based in Cambridge, Massachusetts, which is close to the elite Harvard University. The closeness to the university and various companies such Google, Microsoft is hardly a coincidence. I am sure there will be more cooperations in the future. I think we can be very curious about what inventions to the new institute will produce. Boston Dynamics is a very innovative company, we know, so I have no doubt that we will soon be reporting a new exciting inventions in our news. What do you think? Feel free to write me down your opinion below in the comments. Electronic pets are nothing new. Talking, cuddly toys and so on have been around for years. But now the team of Jianwu has developed a pet robot that is not only cute, but also really high-tech. The project is currently still being funded on Kickstarter and has already raised $2.2 million. The robot can simulate emotions with the help of facial impressions and movable ears. It recognizes gestures, audio signals and speech signals. Loona has over 700 emotions, which she can show with her eyes, arms and ears. This allows her to avoid obstacles and interact with people. She also has an integrated camera. Via app, Loona can also be used as a surveillance camera. With built-in microphones, the robot can also act as a voice assistant and smart home control. Loona has various sensors, drives on 4 wheels with a rear-wheel drive and 2 servo motors. And she has a speaker to communicate. She drives around the home automatically, just like a real pet does. She follows her owners, greets them when they come home, and is happy to get petted. You can also play with her. For example, there's an app for tablets where you can play a quiz with her. She also can fetch balls, chase laser pointers, race and dance. In addition, Loona can be programmed with new functions. Using a graphical programming interface, for example, children can learn to program in a fun way by teaching Loona new tricks. There's even a dino and Christmas outfit for Loona. More will be surely follow. She's not cheap. Loona costs $450 plus shipping, and the first robots hopefully will be delivered in February 2023. everyone can decide for himself how useful such a robot pet is and whether they want to spend so much money on it. From a technical point of view, however, I find Loona quite interesting if she really is as intelligent as advertised. And for especially our children, yeah, it's a simple, smart way to learn program. That's good for the future. After ABB acquired AMR manufacturer ST last year, the first jointly developed models are now coming into the market. Under the name Flexly, the solutions from ST Mobile Robotics will be integrated into the ABB portfolio. ABB now has an expanded product range covering a very broad spectrum of robots. The name Flexly is referring to the flexibility that autonomous mobile robots offers companies. The ST name will be carried on by the ST Foundation, which aims to educate young people and provide them with the skills they need in the digital age. Thumbs up for that. The first two models are Flexly Tug and Flexly Mover, which enable trolley pulling up to 2,000 kilograms and lifting and transport racks, containers and pallets up to 1,500 kilograms. The robots navigate using both 2D SLAM navigation developed by ST, which is based on laser scanners, and innovative 3D SLAM technology, which works with AI. This was developed by Swiss startup 7sense Robotics, which is also a partner company of ABB. The navigation technology allows the AMR to act very autonomously. Autonomous mobile robotics is a big growth market, with an estimated annual growth rate of around 24% between 2021 and 2028. The market is becoming increasingly important and ABB believes it is well equipped to meet this growth. One of the first customer projects will be a complete AMR-based assembly line for a technology startup producing components for electric vehicle powertrains. Robots will be used in combinations with vision capabilities and AMRs to move products between robotics automation cells and manual assembly stations. So ABB is getting fully into the AMR business. Thumbs up for that. Tesla's second AI Day took place on September 30. Two prototypes of the humanoid robot Optimus were presented. One prototype looked a bit more technical, but it can already walk on its own, and another prototype that can do less, but looks more like Tesla's envisions the final product. In 2021, Musk had announced a robot for 2023. Now he has rolled back and set the market launch for 2027 at the latest. It is expected to cost less than $20,000, which would be very cheap for a humanoid robot. The robot currently shuffles more than it actually walks. Optimus can carry boxes back and forth, for example, but thanks to 200 degrees of freedom, 27 on the hands, many more tasks should be possible in the future. Experts say the development time is impressive, but the technology of the prototype is not yet convincing. A robot that can pick up boxes, that has been around for a long time, and we don't need a humanoid robot for that. The Optimus doesn't seem to be able to keep up with the robots from Boston Dynamics. Sure, 2027 is still a little way off, so a lot can happen. But right now, it's not entirely obvious why a humanoid robot is needed, when industrial robots, cobots and AMR can already perform the same task with more advanced technology. I'm not sure we need humanoid robots. What do you think about this? Feel free to write me down your opinion below in the comments. That was our news in October. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. I see you in the next video. Werner.